was a boy each week, Sunday we would go to church and listen to my daddy preach. He would read the holy word, consecrate the holy bread. Everyone would kneel and bow. Today the only difference is everything is holy now. Everything is holy now. When I was in Sunday school, we would learn about the time Moses split the sea in two. Jesus made the water wine. I remember feeling sad. Miracles don't happen still, but now I can't keep track, 'cause everything's a miracle. Everything's a miracle. Everything is holy now. 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 And wine from water is not so small. An even better magic trick is that anything is here at all. And so the challenging thing becomes not to look for miracles, but finding where there isn't one. Holy water was rare at best. I could barely wet my fingertips. Now I have to hold my breath, like I'm drowning in a sea of it. There used to be a world out there, heaven's second-rate hand-me-down. Now I'm walking with a reverent air, 'cause everything is holy now. 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 And wine from water is not so small. An even better magic trick is that anything is here at all. And so the challenging thing becomes not to look for miracles, but finding where there isn't one. This morning outside I stood, I saw a little red-winged bird shining like a burning bush, singing like a scripture verse. Made me want to bow my head. I remember when church let out. Today the only difference is everything is holy now. Join me now. Everything is holy 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 now. Holy now. Everything is holy now. Everything is holy now. Everything is holy now. now, everything is holy now. Everything is holy now. Everything is holy now.